place which is about 70 kilometers away from Gurgaon, and we have come to the Panasonic plant. And as you can see, the plant is under construction, and it took us about an hour to get here. So what we are doing is, this is the area which we have designated for the seed paper planting. Now all of these seed papers, 21,000 seed papers, are all going to be planted here. So the team is on it. They have put all the fertilizers and they're doing some minor works. And yeah, we are ready to roll and plant all of these. So catch you later. So all those 21,000 seed papers where all the fans wrote their messages are all in these boxes. Caretaker of this area, Mr. Khemchand. Sir, आप कैमरा को बताएंगे कि आपने ये क्या सोच के कैसे किया है, कैसे अपने
पहले इसमें जो गोबर की खाद डाली है, ओखला खाद डाली है, DAP डाली है और जिंक डाली है और या कुछ जुतवा के अब इसमें बीज बोएंगे।
अच्छा, हाँ, और आप इसको जब ये आप प्लांट करोगे इसका ख्याल कैसे रखोगे?
इसमें मतलब जो दीमक की दवाई है वो लगाएंगे, लेकर आए रखी है हमारे पास।
ठीक है।
और इसमें कुछ स्प्रे की दवाई होती है, जब ये पौध जम जाएगी फिर वो लगाएंगे। फिर इसके ऊपर एक ग्रीन हाउस लगाएंगे, ग्रीन कपड़ा जो होता है वो लगाएंगे ताकि इसे धूप नहीं लगे ज़्यादा।
So what he means is basically he's really prepared for this, and he's got all the fertilizers and the necessary ingredients to actually take care of all the seeds which are going to be planted. And there's going to be a green shed which is going to come here, and a man's on. It's almost done. We have about 20,000 seed papers planted. As you can see, these guys have taken a lot of effort in planting these seed papers, and we are almost come to an end of this campaign. It all started and we built the wall. We got people to write their clear messages, and it's been a phenomenal journey, and I hope that Delhi Daredevils win the IPL and they come out as champions. As you can see, we are almost one seed paper away for 21,000, and that's just about being planted. And I think this is history in the making again. हो गया 21,000 पूरे?
हाँ पूरे 21,000।
क्या बात है, कैसे लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है जी, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है।
आपने कभी ऐसे किया है?
नहीं, पहली बार किया है।
पहली बार किया है?
पहली बार किया।
अच्छा। 21,000 seed papers all planted. It's been crazy. The Delhi Daredevils is in the semi-final of the IPL. All the cheer of all the Delhi fans are right here, and it has helped Delhi to be in the semi-finals of the IPL. Panasonic Cheerathon, it doesn't get better than this. Thank you.